What's up guys, welcome to Tommy RC. Today I'm going to show you the WPL's new crawlers. Now, it's so beautiful. It's called the C84. It's a Suzuki Jimny and it's licensed models. Now let's unbox it. Now this is transmitters. This is new transmitters. You can put it out, put the transmitters. Some tools. This is the menus. Wow. Look at it, so beautiful. Suzuki Jimny. Now it's a 1/10 gears crawlers. Suzuki. And by the way, we can open the hood. Wow. And there is a on-off switch here, and you can see the engine's details. Now we can even open the left and right doors. And by the way, there is a magnet in here, so the doors can fold and solid. Wait a minute, I don't know how to unbox the roofs. And I see the menus here. Just pull it out. Okay. Pull it out. Maybe some screws here. Now let's see the chassis first. It's also WPL's original chassis, plastic universal shaft and plastic solid axles, and even the bigger wheels. Look at the springs here, so bounce. and it has a bigger brushed motors here. I think it is a 380 brushed motors here. So fast. After a long time assemblage, I finished the Suzuki Jimny. Now I will introduce you a lot of these things. First, you can see the rear mirrors is so soft here, and we put the liveries here, some stickers here, and the windshield we can fold it. And when I disassemble these roofs here, we can see a lot of here. The roll cage we can replace to this one, and look at those small seats, we can fold it. And we can fold it. We can open the trunk, and this even can fold. And we even put the detailed stickers to here. You can see the dashboard. Now, if you don't want the left and right doors, we can put it out and put here. Put this to prevent the persons jump out here. We can put it out so easily. Okay, that's okay. So if you want to assemble this roof, you should attention, there is a cliff to, so it's so stable. Here, this is assembled to the roll cage. So I will show you the batteries. Batteries is under the seats. It's so funny, just like the electricities vehicles, just like the EVs. You put the batteries under the seats, like the Teslas. Okay. Now let's see the transmitters. This is a totally new transmitters from the vehicles, from the WPLs. So we know there is small transmitters, but this is totally new. There is also the WPL's logos. Here you can put the here and form wheels. So beautiful, and it's you can see there is screws here. We can put some things in here. Opened, and I will open the WPLs here. Wow. Let's see. Slow is the speed. Left, right. I think the left and right angles is not big enough. You can see because of the springs. Just 2 channels for these WPLs. Now that's all about it. The Suzuki Jimny is so detailed crawlers. Really a lot of details. If you like the Suzuki Jimnys, I think you should buy it, and it is so cheap. Now, thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and make comments down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.